Page 29, this is the QI Theme top part, or Primo part of the Duet. Bottom part's on page 28, this is 29. I covered the bottom part in the previous lesson. All right. It's the same kind of stuff, except here you get a grand staff. So we're using both. We've got two staffs to deal with. It's still in G major, of course. Make sure you're doing the scales in arpeggios for G major and E minor. 4/4 time, and you're up here. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You get the idea. Measured 5. You're up here. 1, 2, and these real quick grace note. Some people will play the grace note before the beat. Here. I do it on the beat because that's what I was taught. That's what I do. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, measure 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and listen. And measure 8. I do a 2, 3. It's easier for me. And then measure 9, the roll chord, one at a time, quickly, not rhythmic, just. And again, people interpret it differently. Some people will play the top note on the beat. I play the bottom note on the beat. That delays the melody just a little bit. Here, and again, you got 4 notes. Real quick. But be careful going from measure to 11 to 12, because you're here, and you got to come up here. You got to come here and here. So you might do a 1, 2 there if you need to. So measure 11. And then measure 16. Real quick. How you finger it, it's up to you. You can do that. If you use the thumb on the G before, you can do that. Whichever. And again, people interpret this differently. You can play the little notes real quick before the beat. I do them on the beat here, so it's. Measure 19. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You get the idea? That's pretty much it. It's tricky. It's the little grace notes that come. When you're first learning it, leave them out. Just play it. And after you're comfortable with it and the fingering, you get that worked out, then you can add them in later. I haven't talked about fingering on them. I'm hoping you get an idea of what the fingering. Try and finger where you're not moving around anymore and you have to. Now, since the bottom part is on the previous page, I'm going to play the bottom part, and you can play along with it to play the duet if you want. So I'll give us 4 counts. I won't hear it, but you can hear it, so you get a chance to play along with the other part. Just make sure you can play it quickly with no hesitation, because we're going to go this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you can play at that speed, or this won't work. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4.